Top aviation news today. 1. U.S. airlines want helicopters banned from certain routes near Washington, D.C., following a January collision between an Army Black Hawk helicopter and an American Airlines regional jet. Near Reagan National Airport, airlines are pushing for restrictions on helicopter traffic around the airport. The collision, while not fatal, has raised serious concerns about airspace congestion and the safety of commercial flights near military operations. Airlines argue that the increasing number of low-flying helicopters creates unnecessary risks for takeoffs and landings in busy airspaces. The FAA is now reviewing these concerns, with potential new regulations coming soon. What this means: if these restrictions are implemented, it could significantly impact helicopter operators, including private charters, emergency services, and military flights in the D.C. area. 2. Delta Airlines Airbus A350 forced to return due to smoke in galley. Delta flight DL-43 from Los Angeles to Sydney had to turn back after smoke was detected in the galley. The Airbus A350 had been flying for several hours when the issue arose, prompting the crew members to declare an emergency. The flight landed safely back in Los Angeles, LAX, with no reported injuries. Investigations are underway, but early reports suggest an electrical issue as a possible cause of the smoke. What this means: this is another safety incident involving Airbus aircraft. In recent weeks, while no passengers were harmed, airlines will be closely monitoring A350 maintenance and performance. 3. Brussels Airlines partners with Air Europa to continue New York flights. Brussels Airlines, a subsidiary of Lufthansa Group, is short on long-haul aircraft and has decided to partner with Air Europa to keep flying to New York JFK. The airline will use Air Europa's Boeing 787 Dreamliners class for the route. Brussels Airlines has been struggling to secure more long-range planes as demand for transatlantic travel grows. What this means: passengers traveling with Brussels Airlines will now fly on Air Europa planes, but Brussels Airlines will still handle ticketing and customer service. 4. Virgin Atlantic and WestJet expand code share agreement. Virgin Atlantic and WestJet are expanding their code share as giving passengers more travel options between the UK and Canada. This means travelers can seamlessly book flights across both airlines with better connections in cities like Toronto, Calgary, and Vancouver. The move is designed to compete with British Airways and Air Canada, which currently dominate the transatlantic market. What this means: this is good news for passengers looking for more flexibility on UK-Canada routes, especially as summer travel picks up. 5. ANA places major aircraft order from Airbus, Boeing, and Embraer. All Nippon Airways, ANA, has made a massive order for 77 new aircraft, 20 Boeing 787 Dreamliners for long-haul flights, 10 Airbus A321s for domestic routes, 56 Embraer E-Jets for short-haul and regional flights. The order is worth billions of dollars and is part of ANA's plan to modernize its fleet and reduce fuel consumption. What this means: this is a huge win for Boeing, Airbus, and Embraer, reinforcing their positions in the global aircraft market. 6. Seattle-Tacoma International Airport introduces gaming lounge. Travelers at TUS Seattle-Tacoma International Airport, SEA, can now play video games while waiting for their flights. The new gaming lounge, opened in partnership with Gameway, offers high-end gaming PCs and consoles, comfortable seating, food and drink services. The idea is to make airport wait times more enjoyable, especially for younger travelers and gamers. What this means: if successful, more airports may introduce gaming lounges as part of their passenger experience improvements. 7. Emirates. President pushes for Airbus to restart A380 production. Emirates Sir Tim Clark is once again urging Airbus to bring back the A380. He believes that new, more efficient engines could make an updated A380 economically viable. Airbus stopped producing the A380 in 2021 due to low demand, but Emirates continues to operate a large A380 fleet. Clark argues that major airports need larger planes to meet growing passenger demand without adding more flights. What this means: Airbus has not shown interest in restarting A380 production. But if demand grows, a new super jumbo might still have a future.